Well, there's not much rain we've had. These are obviously the people's plots. This is mine. I can't even get into the greenhouse. I did come here just to get some scaffolding that's in. I'm sick and tired of the cats shitting in the beds at home. But as you can see how deep the water is, it's actually up to the bottom of the door. So obviously inside is full. Now, this is the wood chip between the pads and all here. Now, it looks like as well the plot over there is all flooded out, and it's all flooded here, all flooded over there. It's not looking good. So I think all those trees being chopped down is going to take a long time before they get done, because at the end of the day it's just getting flooded everywhere. I'm going to have to go back down this path now, where we come down. I have to go around the other shed. So that shed as well, that's going to be underwater inside. So this is going to be a bit precautious. Right, back down the other path. Some of you may recognise this already. The thing is though, there, that looks like it's flooded, but this bit here, there's about 2.5 foot hole there, got soil to come out of it, because he was digging, trying to get rid of weeds, but it never happened. Looks like he's covered his plot, by the looks of it. Looks like one of the sheets has blown over from there, and it's on ours. But to be fair, there's nowhere on this earth I can actually get down to stuff. Red cabbages, all rotten. We've got a nice little pond. All this lot needs to come out inside the other greenhouse. As you can see, it's full of water. So that greenhouse there, the full length of it is going to be full. As you can see, that you better see better than I do now of this lot. It's all full of water. Looks like one of my cameras has slipped down with all the heavy rain, etc. And I think my compost is having a swim. Well, that's what it is in my compost. So the bottom of that door is well and truly swollen out now. And also, I just noticed as well that the top was starting to come off. Also, that's due to wind, I think. Well, I don't know whether someone's been in that door, but as you can see, I'm not going to even attempt to get to it. Looks like them allotments there are slightly higher, they look like they're okay. Not the best going down on white trains, was it? Actually, initially come here, just get some scaffolding, nothing. Right, the paths are absolutely sodden. Now, you can probably see that path is soaking wet. Well, this is somebody else's plot. No, I'm not going to attempt to walk down there, not with trains on. But that's how bad that is as well. Storm after storm after storm. Rain after rain after rain. That's all we seem to have got. Yeah, it's definitely flooded all the way along there. How much where I'm walking here, to be fair. I think the wind's caught that. That should be there, I think. Or was it down there? Not too sure. No. Even this path, which we've got on a bit further on to other allotments, the other plots even. Even this is all soggy. Where's this flooded up to? I have to go down the other side of this path. Yeah, it looks like theirs is not too bad. This one is all flooded. So basically, get down the allotment and say, get down the allotment, do some work. I did some work in this place. I did a fucking snorkel and mask. And flippers. I've expected to see a whale of bleeding dolphins soon. Well, where I live in the UK, the rain has been non-stop. It's literally stopped today for about half an hour. The skies seem to be a little bit clearer, but we are forecast for more rain later on today. So, not really good. But it will dry out eventually. It just means everything's delayed. Hey ho, you can't win them all. Bye bye.